Excited to have the Law and You here on a Saturday morning. As always, joining us for the Law and You are attorneys Greg Fellerman, Ed Saramboli. They're equipped with a cup of coffee, ready to answer your legal questions. Guys, how are you?
I could barely sleep last night. I was so excited.
Very excited.
I know you wanted to be in here Saturday morning, but we've got to get to a very important question for one of our viewers, and this is from Jody in Dallas, involving a situation maybe you're going through right now. We rented a house at the beach, and we got there. The place was dirty and disgusting. We had a rental agreement with the owner. I want to get my money back since we didn't stay and had to get another place. What can Jody in Dallas do here? Sounds like she didn't get what she paid for.
Jody, it definitely sounds like you didn't get what you paid for. What you need to do is that rental agreement, if you signed it here, then you could have a good argument that the place of the contract is here and that you could sue the guy who owns the house here in Luzerne County. But that's going to be a tough call, from a legal perspective. Pick up the phone and call a lawyer on this one and try to help you out.
We see a lot of this right around now in this time of the year, where people are out renting different places up and down the East Coast, and unfortunately, people run into this situation all the time. So, I don't know exactly where jurisdiction's going to lie. It could be right in your rental agreement. It could say you have to sue me here in my town. Right. But you should always check that. But the other thing too is do some research before you enter into these contracts, because the internet is the best thing when you want to know whether or not a specific unit. Again, we always talk about planning and taking your steps, because the last thing you want to do is encounter this situation. So take some time, do some research, and if you have a problem, pick up the phone and give a lawyer a call who can help you out with it.
All right, some good advice. And our viewers that may run into trouble this summer and need your legal help, how can they do that?
They call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you like us on our page, post a question. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Nice job, guys. Drink up your coffee. And in the meantime, don't forget, results matter with attorneys Greg Felderman and Ed Saramboli. The Law and You can give us a call on the hotline or visit pahomepage.com to submit your question.